Okay, so for this question, we have half an ellipse. Okay, if we read our question, it says we have a semi-ellipse having a major axis of 120 mil. Now, 120 mil is our major axis. That means half of that is going to be 60. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to draw my horizontal line that I'm going to start with. I'm going to get my compass and I'm going to put a distance of 60 onto my compass. I'm just going to draw my semicircle, radius 60, which gives me a major axis of 120. That gives me 2 points on my ellipse, here and here. Now, from my center point, I'm going to push a distance of 35. Now, if we read the question, it says the minor axis is 70. And we know 70, half of 70 is 35. And as we can see at the side, they're showing us that as well. So using the same center point, because it's concentric, I'm going to draw that minor axis. And once we have the minor axis, we're also going to put in the, like so. Now, that gives me a third point. We're just going to draw our construction. Where it hits the minor, go parallel to your major. Where it hits your major, go parallel to your minor. And once we have our dots, we're going to join them nice and neatly. Make sure your curve goes through every dot. Try to avoid bumps like this. They're unsightly. Okay, so there's our half ellipse drawn. As you can see, that's a very bumpy one today. We'll try to avoid that in future. Now we need to draw the rest for a shape. We have a 35, which we already have here, so we're going to go vertically across. And I'm told to measure up 20 on top of that. Now at the side, we're told we have a 10 and a 10. Lovely. Now, next distances we have 10, 10, 20, 10, 10. And from each of those dots, we're going to go horizontally across. Okay, now if we looked at our base, we have a 10 and a 10 on either side. Lovely. Now, we need to get our distances here. So what we have is we have a gap of we have a distance of 140. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10-dimension lines. Now, 140 minus 60 is 80 mil. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gaps, which must be divided into 80 mil. So 80 mil divided by 5 is going to give me 16. So that means I'm measuring 10, 16, 10, 16, 10, 16, 10, 16, 10, and 16. From each of those points, we're going vertically up. And now what we have to do is we have to darken in our gate shape. And there we have our full shape.